3, 2, 1, dropping. Skier on course, bib number 6, Jonathan Victorino.
Skiing out of Squaw Valley, California. Coming into the upper enchanted forest here. Just dicing it up, making quick work. Alright, here, coming down through the middle.
Jonathan wants to thank his mom, dad, and his skis for making this happen.
Looks like he's giving his skis a little bit of work right now in the Cocoa Cup. Oh, nice double move through there. Nice and fluid.
Really wasn't a lot of hesitation there.
And I like
Yeah, look at this, you know. Coming up into the Wizards Cove. Making quick work of that. Bringing it on to the bottom. Keeping it slarving.
He's getting his soul glow flow.
So close. Bring him on in right now, Jonathan Victorino.
Victorino.
1, dropping. Skier on course, bib number 6, Jonathan Victorino, and his skier's right.
Victorino. The Reno.
Eastern California. Want to thank his mom, dad, and his skis. He also likes playing soccer and swimming. I like playing soccer.
Oh, coming into the slap zone. Filthy.
Getting dirty in there.
Jonathan Victorino. Coming in tight. Wizard Cove. Enchanted Forest. Squaw Valley, USA.
Alright, let's bring him in, Squaw Valley. Let's hear it. Jonathan Victorino.
What's he got?
Oh, mini back
This little bit, mini shifty.